Hey Lars. Well, in Shanghai, there's no construction update, but there is a production update. Vehicles have been seen at the port being exported, presumably, to the European market. At the north end of Berlin, we can see more grading work taking place in the parking area. And, oh hey, look at that, an employee shuttle. Pretty cool. At the south end of the building, the parking lot is getting significant revision. Over at the 4680 building, we've seen a lot of equipment being loaded inside, presumably for final fit and finish and configuration, and more walls are going up. In the northeast corner, there is a new retention pond going in as well, and over by the Motorworks building, there's a crane loading stuff up on the roof. That's pretty exciting. In Texas, there's a bunch of steel that's been laid out at the far south end of the property. There's rumor that their building will be expanded in this area, so we'll keep an eye on that. The west side had a bit of parking lot concrete that had been torn up. It now has rebar that will be poured shortly. On the roof, we can see the A in TSLA taking shape. Quite a bit of progress there. The VOC pond at the far north end of the property has had its liner removed. We believe this is where the switchyard expansion will go. And of course, in the northeast corner, where the cathode building is already a bit underway, there's a lot of footing holes dug out with initial mud in them, on top of which they will put rebar and then the footings themselves for construction. And if you want to see the full tracker on that, I've started doing that over on my channel, My Tesla Weekend. So if you've seen those before, it's kind of like that. Back to you, Lars.